Hi, it's the Black Bonsai guy, and I'm back here with a quick tip for those who are in the process of doing some potting and they want to save some money on soil. One of the best things you can do is to save your old water bottles and simply toss them in the bottom of your potting containers. And what those bottles will do is they will take up space in the pot. It also will allow the soil to release water, so you'll have better drainage, and also keep a fair amount of air below your soil. So what I'm in the process of doing is potting up a bunch of plumerias, and I'll show you at the end of the video. And what I'm doing to save on soil is I'm putting these bottles in the bottom of the container, and then I'm just going back and I'm simply adding some soil to the top of it. I'll do one on camera for you. All right, so I'm back. So I've added some soil on top of those bottles that I threw in there, and I have these plumeria canes that I'm doing a repot on. The person I bought them from had them in a container that wasn't suited well for them. And these are really undersized, but these are the only containers I have left. So I'm just going to simply poke a hole in the bottom and just add my soil around the sides. Take out the twigs. Give it a pat down. There you have it. It's a replanted plumeria with bottles at the bottom of it to allow for better drainage. It's the Black Bonsai guy. Talk to you later. Bye.